Hi, second grade. It's Miss Butts. I'm going to read you a funny story today called I Am a Donkey. And it's a story about how misunderstandings can happen when we use poor grammar. And this is a book written and drawn by, and the bad grammar is by C.C. Bell. I hope you guys enjoy it because it gave me a good laugh this morning. I am a donkey. What did you say? I am a donkey. The proper way to say that is I am a donkey. You is a donkey too? You is a funny looking donkey. No, I am a yam. You are the one who said I am a donkey. So you is a donkey. You just said so. Let's hear your hee-haw, donkey. No, no, no. You are a donkey. I am a yam. You is a yam? I am confused because I know I heard you say I am a donkey. Don't say yam. It's am. Am. Okay, so what you was saying is that you is a donkey, right? No, I am not a donkey. And it is not you is, it's you are. You are. Sniff, sniff. You sure you is a donkey? 'Cause that's not like any hee-haw I ever heard. I am not a donkey. I am a yam. I am confused. First you say, I am a donkey. Then you say, I am a yam. Hee-haw, yam, yamma, ding-dong. Whatever you is silly. I have never said I am in my entire life. Hee-haw, you just did. So what is you then? Oh, good grief. It's not what is you, it's what are you? What are you? What are you? What are you? Is that your hee-haw? You is the weirdest donkey. We've got some vegetables coming up thinking, what's going on? Listen, donkey, I am a yam. It's not I yam, it's I am. And you are a donkey. It's not you is, it's you are. Huh? And the vegetables over here are saying, looks like a big fight about grammar. Let me explain, donkey. Look here. I am, you are, he is, she is, they are, we are. Is you trying to tell me that I am not the only donkey here? That you and all them other critters is donkeys too? I need to get my eyes checked. Oh, for Pete's sake. Look, I am a yam. You are a donkey. He is a carrot. She is a turnip. They are green beans. Except for you, we are not critters. We are vegetables. Oh, you is lunch. Chomp, chomp. The moral? If you is going to be eaten, good grammar don't matter. Hee-haw, where's that silly donkey at? I am going to miss him. Oh gosh, that was a funny book, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It made me laugh. I thought that would be a good way to start our Monday morning off. I will have another book for you guys tomorrow, and I'll be reading to you then. Bye.